Community official Huang Fei has been working as a helper of her community residents since the outbreak of the latest COVID-19 resurgence in Shanghai. To maintain the residents' life under the closed-off management, she has a lot to do.
每天我工作，首先我会问一下、关心一下独居老人和纯老户，然后呢，就是根据前一晚统计的大家的需求量和订购的，向保供单位订购的东西嘛，核点一下数量，确认到货时间，然后就会在门口守着，等着他们过来。
In addition to daily necessities, the demand for medicines is frequent and sometimes urgent during the closed-off management. Huang often has to work through nights.
我会把自己当成一个大家长，把居民需求的东西我去给他订购过来，我们居民就可以用最低的价格、最实惠的价格去买到自己最想要的东西，这个是我想做的。